Forget safe, controlled lab simulations. Today, in July 2026, we are pushing the world's first solid-state supercar to its absolute limits on the track.
We are pushing the car through banked turns at over 2 Gs to test structural integrity. A single microfracture in the solid electrolyte would mean critical failure. Analyzing the real-time telemetry, the solid-state pack maintains absolute voltage stability. Because the battery is lighter, the instant torque is terrifying. We pushed it to its 120-degree limit. The cooling system easily managed the output. There was 0 signs of dendrite formation or internal cracking.
Everyone promises 10-minute charging. We hooked it up to a 500 kilowatt ultracharger to see if the solid-state pack avoids typical heat throttling.
Exactly 10 minutes later, we hit 80%. But holding a charge is easy. The real question is how these ceramic layers handle extreme physical load. Reviewing heat mapping data after consecutive hot laps reveals the breakthrough. While the brakes are melting, the solid-state chemistry remains entirely thermally. Traditional liquid lithium has hit a wall. This prototype utilizes a ceramic solid electrolyte, delivering a staggering 600 watt-hours per kilogram. This supercar is just the proof of concept. The real revolution begins when this ceramic technology trickles down to everyday consumer EVs over the next 3 years.
It survived the ultimate endurance test, meaning range and charging anxiety are officially obsolete. Are you ready for the solid-state era? Let me know your thoughts below, and hit subscribe for more exclusive tech deep dives.